Whoa, 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 what the heck is that? An apple? Huh. An apple. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a good apple. I remember when I was a kid, when I was with the Boy Scouts, and we'd spend so much time polishing our apples, and going door to door and selling our apples. I was always the last kid out, because my apples were the shiniest. Anyway, I don't know what this means. I mean, we're sitting here, it's a wonderful autumn afternoon, and for some reason, Aaron showed up and wants me to make an autumn cocktail. I have nothing prepped, so I don't know. I'll figure it out, eh?
Let's make a cocktail.
Okay, then. Well, I guess we're making a cocktail, eh? I got all these bruised apples here, courtesy of Aaron, thank you very much, which I just pressed. No, I didn't. He brought over some apple cider. I guess we're gonna make a
apple pie cocktail.
Yeah, okay, an apple pie cocktail. Yes, Aaron, an apple pie cocktail. First thing you want to do is prep your glass. I've got some apple cider in a little glass here, and we're going to dip it into some cinnamon sugar, right? Maybe not all of it, just maybe just like half a glass. And I guess we'll do 2 glasses because Aaron's going to have one, right? Okay. Just like you had the mac and cheese. Okay, Aaron, here you go. It's just for you. It's made with love, Betty. Come on, buddy.
I don't want
come
your
on.
cheese drink.
Have my cheese. Have my cheese drink.
I don't want
come
your
on,
cheese drink.
come on.
I
Have
don't
my
want your
cheese.
cheese
Yes,
drink.
yes. Okay. Don't you just love how relaxed this is? This is insanity, right? There's no bar. It's just a table. I like it. Yeah. Moving on. We're gonna get our shaker here. I just happen to have some stoppers in my pocket. Oh, hell. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna make 2 drinks. And we're gonna start with some vanilla vodka. We want 2 ounces. Followed by Fireball, everybody's favorite, cinnamon whiskey. Actually, it's not a bad product if you use it very sparingly, you know what I mean? But in this recipe, it's 2 ounces. Seems like a lot. We're gonna follow that up with 8 ounces of apple cider. Fresh pressed, apparently, from the grocery store. 8 ounces. We don't have much room for ice. Yeah, you know, by the time I add some ice in here, it's not going to work out. You know, it's just like too much volume for the size of the glass. Get out the big boys. It's just an awesome antique shaker I got for my birthday last year, which was awesome. And that is like perfect for what we need to do. The next ingredient is cream. Now this is an optional thing, I think, personally. You could just shake this up just as is, but we're gonna add the cream, make it nice and light. I've got 1 ounce of half and half in the pot it goes. We're gonna add some ice here. Lots of ice. And I like to keep ice on my patio chair here. I do all summer. Pop a lid on and shake it like autumn. Shake it like the autumn leaves drift by my window. The autumn leaves of red and gold. Yeah. Give her a good shake. It's really weird sitting and making cocktails. Very strange indeed. Okay, good enough. We want to fill these glasses with some fresh ice here. Just fill up your glasses there, full of this ice. Wonderful ice. I love ice. Glasses. Okay, now all we want to do is strain it out. Don't you just love this shaker? I don't know what era this is from. It's got to be 50s.
It's like the slowest pour shaker.
Cha-cha. It's an interesting color, isn't it? Creamy. Not too creamy though, I don't think. Okay. Looking pretty good, actually. So, all we do is garnish. Well, I'm thinking one of these could have a cinnamon stick. That's always nice. The other could have maybe an apple. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah, that looks inviting, doesn't it? Do we need straws? Why not? In case you don't want that cinnamon sugar. Oh, the final touch is some caramel sauce. And we're just gonna like drizzle some over top. Wow, wow. Yeah. More caramel. Whoa, too much. Too much caramel. We'll get some on that apple there. That's nice, look at that. Yeah, baby. Caramel. There you have it. The apple pie cocktail. All right, let's check this out. Here, Aaron, take. Enjoy. Actually, it does taste like apple pie. Weird. You know, though, I might be swayed to try a bourbon instead of the vanilla vodka, or even a spiced rum. Whoa, that might be kind of cool. But this would make a nice dessert style drink for sure. I'm really surprised that this cinnamon whiskey, I mean, we used an ounce, right? It's not really popping its head through like I expected it to. It's really not a bad little cocktail. The apple pie cocktail. Well, the dogs are out barking. The neighbor's dogs. I guess we should wrap her up. Cheers. Not bad. Oh. Oh. He needs a cocktail. You know, it's not bad. I think it could use a little more oomph, though. You know, I think, and I might try it with some. Rum or some bourbon, but you know. What do you think, Aaron? What? Come on! I mean, you made me make this thing. Well, autumn is upon us, and winter's right around the corner. Maybe we should do like another show outside in the wintertime. Whoa! No, I don't think so. What you want to do, though, is hit the subscribe button. Check some other videos out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cool. It's teeming with wildlife. Be wild. Be wild. Make this apple pie cocktail